Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about something that you should not forget to do. That's right, this is super important. So don't forget to do this to your drain once a month, okay? So let's get right into the video. This is the linear drain in the ensuite bathroom of my wife and my bedroom. My wife and mine bedroom. I don't even know how to say that. Of the bedroom of my wife and I, of our bedroom, okay? This is the ensuite bathroom, newly renovated, okay? Linear drain, and if you have a drain like this, or any drain with any type of ability to remove the piece that catches everything in it, you want to do this once a month, okay? And I'll tell you why, and I'll tell you how bad it can get. So you just want to lift up the drain or gain access, essentially. You want to gain access to the cup that catches everything. Now, I've already taken the liberty of cleaning this out for the most part. So right before I filmed this video, I actually removed it and I took all of the hair out of it at my wife's request. I told her I was filming this video and she's like, please just remove the hair before you start the video. So I was like, okay, nope, that's fine. I get it, no problem. I don't want to embarrass anybody. So I removed the hair from it, okay? But this thing was like, I sort of halfway filled with hair, okay? She's probably gonna yell at me for saying that. I'm just kidding. She won't. She's honestly the nicest person in the world, okay? I'm not exaggerating. But yeah, in all seriousness, it was filled like halfway with hair. And I just pulled all the hair out, and I noticed that about once a month, it starts to drain slowly because of all the hair in there. So the draining is much slower because it does drain out the sides, but the bottom gets all clogged. So the bottom down here gets all clogged with hair. So you want to remove it, and you want to take out all of the hair in there. And I'm bald, as you guys are about to see in just a moment. If you don't follow the channel, I'm bald. I don't have any hair. So it's obviously not for me, right? So like that's only half the hair that goes down there essentially. If I had hair, it would be twice the amount of hair, okay? But it gets clogged fast because the hair combines with the shampoo and the soap and the conditioner, and it just creates like this, like almost like a plaque inside of it. So once you've removed the hair, you want to just rinse it out. So just run it under water, and if you've removed all the big stuff, then it's okay to do this and let the stuff go down the drain because it's just small stuff that's left. And this will remove all of the shampoo, the soap scum. You can even see right there's a little bit of soap scum over there. It'll remove all that stuff. You can turn it off, okay? Shake it out. You don't need to dry it because it's a drain. It's bound to get wet anyways. Put it back in there. You can see that's where the P-trap is, which is where that holds the water so the sewer gases don't come up. If you live in, like I live in Ontario, in Toronto, Ontario, in Canada, if you live here, this is the building code, right? So you have to have like a trap there. So I'm going to put this back in place, just like that. And now it can drain nicely. And if you want, you can clean this part too. But to be honest with you, I clean this like once every couple months. I'll just scrub it down because it doesn't really affect the drainage until it really gets built up. Put your drain back in place. And then you're good to go. Now, quick note, let's say you don't have a drain like that, right? Let's say you don't have a drain like that. You have a different drain. Basically, you can still do things once a month to clean that drain. There's going to be hair probably hanging over the drain cover. You can just pull that hair up and you're going to see how much comes out of there. It's crazy. So if you have the ability to clean your drain, just like I showed you right here, definitely do it once a month. Totally worth it. It will drain much faster, much better, and you won't get any water backup or anything like that because once this gets bad, like if I leave it for 2.5 months, the water actually takes so long to drain that it starts kind of like coming into the shower, right? Encroaching on the shower instead of draining down as it fills up. So like, once a month is the sweet spot. Sorry about that, the loud noise, just my wedding ring hitting the drain. Once a month is basically the sweet spot for keeping it maintained. And yeah, also with that note, when you hear that sound, even when I'm showering up here, because I shower in the basement, sometimes I shower up here, other times. It depends on kind of what's going on in the house and how I feel. I'll choose a shower to use. Mostly in the basement I shower, but when I do shower up here, when the water hits this, it's actually quite loud, which is really, really cool because it creates almost like a melodic effect in the shower where you're kind of relaxed, almost like a meditation. Yeah. But anyways, that's a side note, but definitely do this to your drain once a month to keep it running smoothly and keep that water flowing smoothly down the drain. And no pun intended. That wasn't even a pun. I don't even know what I'm saying there. But honestly, that's it. I'm done. I've filmed so many videos tonight. I'm toast. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.